I am here at Sawmill Creek for their holiday activities and with one question on my mind, which is it worth it? So we're gonna find out today. I hope you're ready and excited. Let's go. First of all, this event is called Season of Joy. There are several different things that are happening throughout the day. Sawmill Carollers, Mistletones, Fireside Family Christmas, Holiday Boot Camp, which includes Taste of the Season mixology class, Christmas charcuterie, and Christmas cookie decorating workshops, and then Eat, Drink, and Be Merry with the Creekside Market, the Hideout, Miller's Table, Harvest Dining Room, Santa's S'mores, and a few other things that may be happening also. Now, right now they have cookie decorating that's happening over here inside of the Harvest restaurant here. They will also have a charcuterie board happening in about an hour after this event that's happening right now. And right next to that is the Miller's Table. But the Miller's Table right now, I believe, has a Christmas party actually happening. So that's not something that just anyone can do. That is a specified party right now. But tonight it'll be open. Of course, if you're staying here, you can check in here at the check-in table by the main area, and then there is the main rotunda, and this is where a lot of the activities of the evening exist. So later on today we will see the Sawmill Carollers and the Mistletones here, possibly the Fireside Family Christmas too. I think that's something new that I haven't seen yet. First thing today is I am coming in to see the Sawmill Carollers. That's going to happen right away here, so I'm very excited to see it. Let's go. Before they start, I also know that their upstairs bar opened at 5 o'clock because it's on schedule. And I perused through it pretty thoroughly earlier. So I'm planning on coming up here to the hideout, grabbing something to drink. All right, I was told the Bad Santa is very good, so that's what we're going to check out right now. It is tequila, apple brandy, fresh lime juice, and spiced cranberry syrup. It sounds really good. Let's go. Well, this is a very pleasing looking holiday drink, and it is very, very full. Ooh, very sweet, but it also cuts it big time. You can taste the alcohol and it cuts it like crazy. Wow, that's actually really good. All right, they're getting them all set up. We're actually a few minutes late, which I'm okay with. Yeah, it says they start at 6 o'clock, but it's 6:04 and they still haven't started. So I love that you can truly taste the herb on top, the rosemary. In my video from last year, I mentioned that this is probably the place to come on the weekend. During the week, it's just a bit too sparse. There's not that many people that show up here, but on the weekend, you can come here, hang out. It's very pretty, and it does seem to be substantially fuller, which I really like. And I highly recommend a stay at Sawmill Creek. This is a fantastic place, and you can check out my resort review from a couple of years ago, but it should still hold true today. It was owned by Cedar Point then, and it's owned by Cedar Point now. But it is a very, very nice place to stay. This was the lack of like kids running everywhere, the completely open hot tubs. It's really, really nice as far as that goes. The only problem with it is that it is not basically connected to Cedar Point like Hotel Breakers is. So that's really the big issue. Hotel Breakers, of course, it's classic, it's beautiful, but it's overrun with children. So being here, it's definitely nicer. And here they come now. Some of my favorite singers. I didn't know they'd start from up there. I think they may actually perform around the resort, and that's why I missed them earlier. Yes, confirmation. They do travel around and they do one at a time, like a performance one place and a performance the next place, and then one more performance. So they get 3 different performances in for about a 30-minute set, each one at about 10 minutes, something like that. So that's why it was so late when they started, because they started somewhere else and then came here. And that was their last performance of the night. Now they do a different song list at each location, and they perform 3 different times in the evening. So it would definitely be fun and worthwhile to go check them out. I mean, if you're like me, I would love to just go stalk them and follow them through the hotel. Don't really stalk them. Please don't do that. But you can follow them as a group and watch them sing all their songs. Now, the Mistletone sings next, but I'm not gonna watch the Mistletones immediately here. I'm gonna walk through the hotel a little bit and see what else on this side. Also, we're just looking for anything else that they may do down here. So there may be a couple different things. I know they had a Christmas area where you could see a whole bunch of lights the last time I was here. They don't have it this year. Oh my word. I thought they might at least do the light display. I thought they might at least do the light display. They don't have a lot of things that they had last year, but I really thought that this would probably be here. So last year they had like a movie night where they did movies, and then they also did like a What the Dickens kind of a thing. I don't think they do any of that this year. It would be fun to have an event that's connected to this event also, because then you just add more stuff for your constituents to actually be a part of. That conference center, though, is definitely another big thing that's kind of a fun thing for Cedar Point to have that you can take advantage of if you would like to, and you could actually hold a conference here. Now we're going to get to listen to this for just a little bit, but we're going to go get some coffee. Oh, they haven't started yet. Okay.
Oh, what a merry Christmas day. Hear the joyous music play. Everybody, I'm Carol LaBelle. I'm Eva Green. And I'm Peggy. And we're the Sawmill Mistletones. We were on our way to the beautiful Radio Music City Hall in New York to do our famous holiday show.
And then we realized we left our dear third member, Holly, back in Nebraska.
Peggy here is our biggest fan, and she follows us all across the country. And I know all their songs.
So I asked her to join us to spread holiday cheer here at the beautiful Sawmill Creek Resort.
But only until Holly has a chance to catch up. What's that clippity clop upon the roof? The reindeer are jingling, so get your bells a tingling. The Santa's come for mingling with good boys and girls. Oh, 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 what is Santa bringing? Oh, 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 I wonder whether he'll be swinging. Ting-a-ling, 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 what fun to hear the sleigh bells jingle. Ting-a-ling, 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 they set your heart a tingle. Through the snowy May I please introduce the newest member of the Sawmill Mistletones, Peggy Nog. Hey, from all of us here at Sawmill Creek Resort, we're so thankful you chose to spend your evening with us here tonight.
We hope your holiday season is filled with laughter,
Friends
family,
and joy. Happy holidays. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh my God, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
And that concludes the special musical presentation from the Sawmill Mistletone. Be sure to enjoy the rest of your season trip here at Sawmill Creek. And from our family.
I definitely identify with Peggy.
Peggy here is our biggest fan, and she follows us all across the country.
And they're still talking over there. But I just follow these people around everywhere, so it's very, very fun to watch them sing. And I probably could do their moves, but you would not want me to, and that's okay. That was definitely so much fun though. And the reason why it was fun was because of the personalities and because of the comedy that they had that came out of that. You know, having Peggy be the kind of odd man out and turning it into that kind of an odd man out story of someone coming in, kind of taking over a little bit and trying to be a part of the group. It was very good. And they already have existing chemistry because all three of them have been in prior shows. And that's what makes it so good. That's why I love Cedar Point entertainment so much. I don't know what the magic is. I don't know what it is that they do, but somehow maybe there's a freedom that's allowed with the performers. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but there is a je ne sais quoi that I cannot put my finger on that makes it so, so good.
what fun, hear the sleigh bells jingle. Ah, through the snow we go.
The friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh ho, the mistletoe, come where you can see. Somebody waits for you, and once for me. Oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
And that concludes this special winter presentation from the Saw.
Their costumes are spot on. They're beautiful. Also, they're made in-house. I got to see the concept art for them, which is fantastic. I just love everything about the Mistletones. They're so good. And then also, I love how they have different shawl each time too. It's so fantastic. They're amazing. Let's go.
While the merry bells keep ringing, may your wish come true. Coming round the chimney, coming round the chimney, look out, Santa is back. Woo! Thank you. Well, it usually sounds a lot better, but the smoke from the fireplace is making my throat dry. I ate too much. I ate too little. This piano's out of tune.
Okay, it was the piano that was out of tune. Just kidding, darling.
Hear the treetops glisten and children listen to ring sleigh bells in the snow.
Where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow.
Now, kiss me, grown a little leaner, grown a little older, grown a little sadder, grown a little older. Yes, we need a little snappy, happy ever after. We need a little Christmas now. Carols at the sleigh, yes, we need a little angel sitting on our shoulder. We need a little Christmas now. Merry Christmas now. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks swell.
At least I can pretend that I tried. I really can't say, but it's cold outside. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, dressed up like Eskimos.
Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe will help to make the season bright.
Merry Christmas to you. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. Good tidings
We bring to you and your kid. Good wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
You can stay right here in our living room as long as you want. Should be fine. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And God bless us, each and every.
The different shawls every single time. Look at that, lovely. So would I say that that was worthwhile? I absolutely would say that that was worthwhile. I had a blast, and the truth is that it's just a great activity to do. You do not have to pay to go into it, so pretty much anything that they do there is worthwhile. I love it that it is something that Cedar Point wants to put on for us, that they pay and bring in performers to be a part of. That is such a great thing. And it's really a fun way to just celebrate the holiday season. They have less this year than they had last year, which is a little bit disappointing, but also really all you need there is a couple of performances, a couple of different fun drinks that you can have, and a couple of decorations that just make the inside of that hotel beautiful. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't yet, please press that subscribe button. It makes you cool people, so join us and become cool here on this channel. And press the like button. Tell me what you think of Sawmill Creek's Christmas activities. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go! Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!